To be like Elsie, strong, heroic, bright in mind and in heart, dreaming of what's possible for her people, guided by the stars in the sky. To be like Rachel, kind, gracious, elegant and regal, epitomizing royalty and dignity in every essence of those two words. To be like Angel, both entertaining and God-fearing, both poetic and stoic, Fa'aluma and Taupo, the glue, bringing people together. To be like May, as sweet as honey and as strong as rock, faithful, a safe place to find rest in, a voice for the marginalized and forgotten. To be like Kim, the fire movements need to stay alive and keep going, the fun communities need to stay strong, and the passion that humanity needs to protect our most vulnerable. To be like Charlie, lifting weights and people, carrying many, spreading hope and peace. To be like Ngā Te Pairu, fun, vivacious, loving and confident, flaunting beauty and wit inside and out. And to be like Moi, a trailblazer, a lead navigator, birthed from legacies to create new legacies, and on forth she will go. As I take hold of the steerer for this beautiful ancient waka, va'a or boats that we now know as the Miss Pacific Islands, I look to many places for wisdom, blessing and guidance. I look to the sisters around and before me. I look to our elders, past, present and emerging. I look to our stories, breathing and living. I look to our seas and lands, our oldest teachers, and I look to our God, our everlasting Father, our dearest friend, and our Prince of Peace. I hope I may honor and serve this role and our Pacific people well, and may we always use this platform to nurture, to engage, to uplift, to celebrate, and to always protect our girls and our women. From my heart to yours, your new Miss Pacific Islands, Litara Ieremia-Allan.